Sorry.
Kumara Parvata. It is also known as Pushpagiri. It is the highest peak in Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Somarpet Taluk in the northern part of Kodagu district of Karnataka. It is trekker's paradise in Western Ghats. I have been to Kumar Parvata for 3 times. Every time I came back with an experience that will be remembered forever. This trek gives you experience of complete wilderness into the perfect nature. It is densely populated with leeches in the monsoon. It takes you across dense forest, barren plain, rivers, landscapes, sunset, birds, elephants, and snakes. It is indeed a tough trek in Karnataka. You can no way compare this to other peaks like Kodachadri, Tadiyandamal. If you love nature and are kind of adventure person, this is a must-do trek for you. Don't expect restroom, bedroom, shower, porters on this trek. So come prepared and just enjoy the beauty of our motherland. You can start your trek either from Somarpete or from Kukke Subramanya. From base to Baturmane is 6 km trek in dense forest. Baturmane is the only point to have food and take rest, but you need to inform them before. In Bhatturmane, they provide you rice and sambar and charge you 150 rupees per plate. This is very reasonable as they bring all kirana items all the way from Kukke on their legs. From Bhatturmane to Forest Department, it is around half-kilometer trek. You can either bring your own tent and camp around Forest Department. An early morning start will lead you to Kallu Mantapa beside a stream. You enter your name in register and get permission from the forest department. You can fill your water bottle if it's empty. Very soon you will come across viewpoint. After viewpoint, the trek trail becomes steeper. From Forest Department to Kallu Mantapa is around 2.5 km trek. You can trek Kumar Parvata all around here. October to February will be the best time to trek this. If you are trekking in monsoon, then be prepared to get bites from leeches. Just before Kallu Mantapa, you will find water. Kallu Mantapa to Shesha Parvata is the most difficult part of whole trek. Shesha Parvata, you will descend a bit and trek trail goes inside a forest. You will find water stream inside this forest. ಈ ಸಂಜೆ, ಈ ಮಂಜು, ಈ ಮೋಡ, ಈ ಮಳೆ, ಈ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳು
ಈ ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಜಾರುತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸದ್ದಿಲ್ಲದಂತೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ, ಬೆಳಕ ಸೆರೆಯ ತೊರೆದು ಈ ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಜಾರುತ್ತಿದೆ, ನೆರಳನೆ